Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by preparing the audio and permissions. Copy your MP3 or WAV onto the phone's internal storage. Place it in a folder named Alarms or Ringtones so Android can find it. Make sure the clock app and your file manager have storage permission. Without permission, you cannot select the file. Once done, open the file in a media player to confirm length and volume. Trim or normalize if it's too quiet or too long, so the alarm behaves predictably. Next, move the prepared audio into the system-accessible folder. Open Files, navigate to the audio, and move or copy it into the Alarms or Ringtones folder at the root of internal storage. Android reads those folders for sound selections. If you prefer an SD card, make sure your clock app supports external storage and grant access. After moving the file, refresh the media database or reboot the phone so the new sound appears in the clock app's list of choices. Finally, open Clock, edit or create an alarm, and tap Sound or Ringtone to pick your custom file from the alarms list. Select it and save the alarm. Test immediately by setting a 1-minute alarm so you verify volume and behavior. If the file does not appear, reboot the phone or clear the media storage cache to force rescan. Alternatively, move the file again into /ringtones. Make sure Do Not Disturb isn't blocking the alarm sound, so it will actually ring.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.